Alright guys, look, this is the train. Lovely, NJ Transit, we love that. This is the crew. Say hi guys. Oh, there's group leader Brian in the front. The stand, oh. You see how fast that went?
I know.
It's 9:27. Guys, how excited are you on a scale of 1 to 10?
Guys, 1,000.
Hey vlog, I'm so excited.
Hey, period. Okay, outfit. Guys, OOTD. Okay, Tani, you first. Oh, you're not gonna tell us where everything is from? Like she keeps turning around.
Okay guys, OOTD. Jacket, Windsor,
Okay.
shirt, pants, Fashion Nova.
Okay.
Sambas on the feet. This is from Shein. Hair by Samantha.
Period. Angel, your turn, your turn.
Burlington.
Okay.
This little tank top under is Shein. This belt is Shein. These jeans are Aeropostale. I think these shoes, Nordstrom Rack.
I love
somewhere. Bag was gifted.
Love that, love that.
And Face by God.
Amen. Samantha, your turn.
Hi guys. Fashion Nova.
Oh, right.
What are these called? Oh, Blazers.
Blazers.
And she.
Perfect. That's what's up. That's what's
And
up.
Hair by Samantha.
And hair by Samantha. Period.
I'm a real New Yorker.
New York, the real New York. I'm outside.
Can I hear everyone tickets up?
Oh, okay. Period. Right.
That one.
I thought they checked once you go on the thing, because that's how they do for my school bus.
Literally, we could get to New York, and that's
then-
when they're asking to check it.
Oh, right. Oh, look who's here! Hey guys, hey. Oh my gosh, look at the losers! Oh my gosh, they're all here.
She said, take your time, what's the rush? I said, baby, I'm a dog, I'm a mutt. She said, take your time, what's the rush? I said, baby, I'm a dog, I'm a mutt. I'm a dog, I'm a mutt. I get smoked already, so hard in my blunt is. I see past pretty faces, so I got trouble trusting. But I let my guard down for you. Said I'll put my guard down for you. Said I'll be vulnerable, so you can break my heart if you want to. She said, take your time, what's the rush? I said, baby, I'm a dog, I'm a mutt.
Chat, that escalator took us outside instead of to inside doors. Guys, what is going on?
You look like a tourist. You're embarrassing.
She said, take your time, what's the rush? I said, baby, I'm a dog, I'm a mutt.
How do you feel? Yes.
I'm about to order the wine.
Oh, right. As you should.
Condo, say your name at the front. You can stay if you want. It's been one of those nights I ain't had it.
Michael, say something to the camera. He ain't say nothing, that's all. Hey, just say something. Never mind, we're off. We don't like that.
Oh my god.
It's okay. Go ahead, what would you like to say?
Hi guys, it's 10:34. We're still in New York.
Yep.
My mom just called me asking when we're going home, and I said whenever the wind blows me back home.
Oh, you actually said that to your mother?
No.
Oh, I got scared.
Maggie, do you have something to say to the camera? Never mind, okay. I'll do the next. Sonny, what do you like to say to the camera?
Hi camera.
Hey, camera. Wait, why?
Food was but I don't know. I don't really like everybody that's here. Certain people, you know.
I would just like to say, yeah, she was a last minute invite.
What? Her sister got invited before her. Her sister's not even on worship team.
Yeah, Samantha was wanted. Danielle just tagged along.
I'm dead. Tag her longer. Brian, you send us out. You want to go home, chat. All right, Angel. Final goodbyes. All right, bro. She's gone for 9 months. That's 9 months too short.
Yo, Mickey.
So my uncle.
We here.
What's going on, guys?
Where's the Zoom?
So my uncle on Sunday. You saw what I wore on Sunday, right?
Yeah, you were wearing jeans. You were wilding. I'm not gonna hold you.
He looks at me.
He was
He looks at me. He's like,
He was wilding with the jeans.
yo, that's a nice jacket. Yes, yo.
Hi, we in New York.
Hey, is this camera battle?
Camera battle? Battle of the cameras? You said y'all need rides? Guys, can we get ice cream?
Where you want to get ice cream from?
I don't know anywhere here. I just want ice cream.
Children.
You know what, Brian? You know what? Thank God.
In Times Square.
Take a picture.
Where? In Times Square.
Where is Times Square?
That way.
So why are you telling us this now?
Home is that way.
I gotta pack my bags. I gotta play tomorrow.
Home is not real.
What, tomorrow morning? Let's go.
Home is not real.
Onward and onward.
There's white. No, leave it to the spot. Leave. Just walk. Wait. Ready?
What? You see me? God, they want me to be embarrassed. They try to embarrass me. They try to.
No, just say thank you. We're trying to teach her how to get a guy. We're trying to, we're trying to bring her back to princess times.
Right.
So that's it. You just go, you fall, you leave. Oh my gosh, you see me, thank you. How can I repay you? You know what I'm saying?
How can I repay you with the blood of Jesus that has already paid the price? What?
What can I do for you? How can I be of service to you?
Service in my house.
Did I tell you blood ran through my body? We
Yes.
could have went behind the woods.
Yes, I was like, are you 5? Right, that's embarrassing.
Do you not remember you're on TV?
Right, and then she took her shoes off to be stealthy.
Yeah.
Right, like hello.
Girl, you could just rewatch. You could just rewatch the episode. You ain't gotta go Peter listen to what they say.
No, here's my thing with her. Her thing is that she's trying to do all this for her daughter. Look at the example you're setting for your daughter. That's what I'm saying, but she's lying. So I'm saying if your daughter gains consciousness and watches this, she'll be like, ew, this is my mom jumping over a man. Jail.
I follow, like, I follow gym influencers.
Yeah.
She's a gym influencer.
Yeah.
So one of the gym influencers I follow, knows her.
Yeah.
Like, guys, like, the bullying, it has to stop. Like, I'm really concerned about her mental health. She's like, Buddha's never watched Love Island, so she doesn't know how it is. But, like, first of all,
Should I be like, I have a charger? No.
stop. My phone dead. Like that on that?
Oh, they're fighting. Wait, let me go downstairs. Guys, this is good content for the YouTube. Yeah.
I want to hear that.
Wait, no. I want to.
Guys, let's go.
No.
Let's go. Oh.
Yo!
I can't answer my mom's phone call. She can hear it. But guys, I low-key want. It's not that serious.
Guys, we need to go in the opposite direction.
Hey guys, stop! This is not what God asked to do. Coach is right. Listen to her. Stop it, guys. This is not you. Look at me, guys. This is not you. Stop.
Are you telling me this is your purpose on this world? Is this really what we're called to do here? Come on, guys, let's stand together. Shake hands.
I'm gonna cry. I'll be there. Oh, he's not even going there.
Oh, guys, the ladies coming this way.
He's not even going there. He went to the other trick. Period, Big Papa. This guy. Yeah, she went to the other one. I don't know, but she went down. Gama, was I downstairs?
No, he probably activated his ticket, then want to activate his ticket, then want his ticket
I was
scanned.
gonna say, it's probably over some petty stuff.
I heard it's not that serious. It's not that serious. He's like, yes, it is.
For the ticket, just pay the $7.
Like, you got $7.
Arguing before she was down.
No, that's true.
Oh, yeah, that's true.
Maybe there's somebody down there. Everything good down there? It sounded like a little bit loud, but I know you strong and you got it. You got it. I know you went down there and everybody went silent. They're scared of you. They're scared of you. You did that. You went downstairs. Your aura is just too much. That's why. Your aura is too much. You went down there and they're like, yes. Strong woman. Strong woman. That's what's up. That's what's up.
We appreciate you for your job.
Absolutely. We appreciate you.
We know they don't pay you enough for this.
Yes.
Absolutely not. They don't pay you enough for this.
You're a hater.
Oh my gosh, like please don't stand up with me.
Do you want to fight me?
Please don't stand up with me.
Do you want to fight me?
lose?
Hold this so he can fight me. So we can fight.
Let's record this cat
I
fight.
ain't trying to hurt you like that.
I'm trying to hurt you like that. I want you to get right.
Wait, let me cover your stomach. Let me cover your
Come on, come back.
Do you want to fight?
for money.
Wait.
Weigh in. Okay, how much you weigh?
Huh?
How much you weigh?
Too much.
No, let's say the number.
Like 230.
230? Guys, I thought you weigh 100 pounds.
You weigh 130?
Yes, I weigh 130.
130 too much.
It's 230 too much.
Thank you.
130 is not too much. That's the average weight for our age.
Yeah.
Right, shoot, I'm trying to be 125. Not gonna
No,
get
you got that muscle.
Not
okay.
my ministry.
Oh.
As of right now,
Guys, he does not have muscles. Never mind. Okay, stand up. Let's go. He left.
Come on, you.
I know you want to.
Let me come.
Ooh, ooh.
Let me cover.
The security needs to come here. How stupid is this?
Wait, come on.
I'm getting so sure.
Where's my shoe? So like, how did you get him? I don't know. What thing was in his hands?
Be brave. Be brave. Let me come here.
This shit is crazy. My shoe. I don't care.
Let me cover your back. Go ahead.
You know why? You're black.
Guys, how much money am I going to win from this fight?
UFC fight. Gama versus Soleil. No, you wouldn't. You know why? This is what I would do. I would just run around him until he gets tired, jump on his back, and then pull him down.
I have more endurance than you.
No, you don't.
My mile time is faster.
It doesn't matter. My mile time is faster. Okay, so you're fast, but can you run long? No.
That's the whole point of a mile.
You're in the background. That's the whole.
You guys are too bad.
No, guys, that's different.
The night is still young.
Gamma, you were just making.
I wanted to go to sleep. They wouldn't be in New York. People are stepping out their house to go to the parties. This is the time.
Exactly.
They wanted to go to sleep. They wouldn't be in New York.
We need to bring people to life.
The night is still
They're
young.
sleeping.
The night begins to shine.
I know for a fact
They did. They gave me money.
the way they give you.
They gave me money, guys. Guys, they gave me money because they love my essays and my GPA and my SAT score.
Period.
Was he talking?
My GPA was higher than yours.
No, it probably was. But Don't say that all the I mean, I did the best in high school. I was top of my class by Victoria. Look it up.
watching.
Dad, I had a 4.0 GPA. No, I had a 5.0 GPA. Top of my class.
Like that.
They had to make a whole new scale for me because I'm the best. Yes, they call it the soul scale. What? I can't hear you. Say it louder. You said the white people, the people are looking at us. They say what?
The white people are looking at us because we're black.
Wait, you all said and I come together we rise.
T'Challa.
I'm a chupa. You better not run up on me. You better not run up on me. If you tell me I'm a chupa.
Guys, I can't trip out. When I trip out, I look like I'm convulsing. Like, you didn't like my trip out. No, that was good.
No, he's
Oh, wait, guys, my mom's calling.
Okay, wait, let me answer.
You don't care to call you twice? Oh, guys,
You didn't tell me to have signal. Yes.
Satellite. You ain't got no emotion unless your mom's name. You don't love her? There's no, we're in the train. We're underneath the ground. I don't even know. The lady just came and checked everything. I think we have one more stop to go.
We're literally here.
I did. I told you.
No, sure.
It's okay. She can say yeah. We passed the church. Like cars at shop.
My car is at the church.
It's okay. So we're in orange. It's okay. I'll just take you over there.
Is this our stop, guys? Oh, really?
My crew, let's go. Come on. Thank you for being my camera woman. I appreciate you.
Of course, so.
Guys, this concludes the vlog.
Bro,
Say bye, guys.
Like,
Bye.
they're the reason why white people hate our kind. They're so loud. They're so obnoxious.
say bye too.
I hate black things. I mean. Bro, that white one behind you, and you almost said what I said. Oh, Gama said that white one. Why would you say that? Bro, when you just a white person, yo, I saw her eyes the entire time, bro. She couldn't wait for you to get off the train. Oh my God, bro.
Oh, the one behind us?
Yes, bro. She was great.
I did not hear that. Bye, guys.
Oh, that's not them. They're right over there.
Sosa didn't say bye to her ball.
I didn't say bye to my ball.
Her ball. Her ball.
Yes.
So needs to get on the court first. She ain't even got no uniform. Shoot.
Okay, submit the
You're a spectator.
So where's
Bye to the vlog. My vlog.
I mean, the tree.
We'll see you next time.
Yeah, fun.
Yes, I did have fun. Thank you. Oh, it's Michael.
I was like, who? Bye.
Michael, say bye to the vlog. Aww.
Bye,
Brian. Get home safe.
Bye.